Load your family into the 2015 INFINITI QX80. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including a headlight cleaning system, turn signal indicator mirrors, and seat memory. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.